Hi, I am PUTERI QALEESYA RANIAH BINTI SALEHUDDIN from Sekolah Kebangsaan Kampong Melayu, Kluang. I would like to review a book that I have read entitled The Fair Day. The author of The Fair Day is Kenny Poon, and it was published by Pustaka Ilmu Cemerlang, Kuala Lumpur. The Fair Day is a 60 pages fiction story. Tells the school life of the main character, Elsie B. Owen. It is one of the 6 interesting stories under the Most Authentic Stories series. Written in reasonable font size. I believe it suits the primary school readers. Elsie B. Owen, who preferred to be called as B, is a grown-up schoolgirl. Most of the time shows lack of manners and tend to break rules wherever she was. Her family members, teachers, and people surrounding her play roles to closely watch and guide her to become a disciplined, polite, and successful being. Scenes in her class remind me of some of my classmates who are cheeky and spontaneous. They made the class lively and interesting. Elsie's participation in her school fair taught her not to take things for granted. She confidently entered the event with high hopes to win prizes. But it turned out differently. She failed and just been lucky to win a prize in the last event she joined. Moral of the story is, don't be overconfident. We might be unprepared if the challenge is tougher than we thought. I myself look forward to read another book in this series. I hope you will join me to do so. Thank you and goodbye.